My name is Taira, and I'm coming from Dubai to Skinnovation Clinic for the breast and stomach tummy tuck and liposuction. And I feel it's really amazing job here, and they are very professional. And doctor give his time. He before half holiday, but he give his time to me. It's really amazing. I'm really appreciate it. And I feel now very well. 6 days back I do the operation, and I'm feeling fine and happy because I am satisfied with myself now, and I can look at my body, and it's really make me happy and feel young. I'm 40 years old. I feel like I'm 20 years old. Thank you, doctor. I have problem with my breast. It's because I have 3 kids and I breastfeeding them, and it's over skin. And I do a lot of exercise, push-ups, and a lot. I spend at the gym every day 1 hour early morning before going to the work, and it's not looking nice. But now when he done the operation, the doctor done the operation, I really love it. Stomach, I have also skin loose. I do exercise at my stomach, but and fat, there is some around the stomach fat, and it's not moving. And I do the gym mostly every day, just 2 days off because I didn't go to the work, like holidays. That's it. And I have a diet. I'm on a keto. I doesn't eat the carbs, but still it's not helping. And I think it's the best solution to do surgery. When I done the surgery, I'm really happy. I cannot express myself how much I'm happy, and I'm so glad I come to this clinic, and I find they are very qualified and professional and safe. It's important, safe, because sometimes you go travel to a different country, you don't know what will they wait for you. But I feel here everybody is friendly, and you can trust them, really. It's my experience with them. Very nice. I like my room where I stand before surgery. It's really nice, cozy, and clean, and always the cleaners coming and clean the place, and sisters always coming asking me how I'm feeling, what I need. Without I am calling them, they are also upset from me. Why you not call us? Not ask what you need. You want any food? You want tea? After surgery, it's amazing. They help me to go bathroom, and really they take very good care of me. And I think it's really the travel to in other countries better come to the India, because everywhere around the world this doctor is from India. I have experience of this. I go to also at London. There is some medical issue, and when we want to say thanks to our doctor, the doctor is from India. Why I will go somewhere else? I can't come them own country and find also best care. Who want to do the surgeries, and they between. I think better to do it. First of all, it's good for your emotional health, and I feel really, because I have some issues at home, and I do it. This is for me. Actually, I don't care who think how I look. I care for me. I do this for me, and then come stronger emotionally. I can do a lot of things now. I just prepare for the winning at work and everywhere. And I want to personally thank my Dr Rajat Gupta. His hands is really gold hand. He's not a doctor, he's a magician. And I will keep saying that, because really what he done to my body, I cannot imagine after 40 years of my age, I can't be like 20 years old. It's amazing. It's really perfect. Thank you, and help people who need help, and have more people to come to you, because they will find here hope. you're giving hope. Thank you.